so giving DC themed. So cute, and the room is so cute, like these little paintings and the blue. I'm obsessed. I have not seen these rooms before. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, the coffee area, that's so cute. And these, wow, I look, anyways. Hey guys, so we're in Disney World. No, this is weird.
It's like giving deja vu, but like, yes, so strange.
It's so strange because we met in Disney World in 2018, like so long ago at this point. And then we both used to live here, and now we both live in California.
But now we're both back visiting here.
It's so weird, but like so fun and so exciting. And we have a really fun little day. And tomorrow we're gonna do some fun things and go to the parks, and I'm so excited to take you guys along. We're mainly back for the Festival of the Arts, which is my favorite festival ever. It's so fun.
Good.
We're just gonna have a really colorful little trip here. So we're staying at the Boardwalk Inn, which is so fun. This room is so cute, like
literally so cute.
So cute.
I need their interior designer in our apartments.
No, same. Like the blue, like the oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so cute. But anyways, so we are ready to go frolic around, I think. We don't really know what we're going to do, but we're just gonna go do something. So I think we're gonna go start on the boardwalk and see what we can do. We have to be up so early tomorrow, you guys. So like we really shouldn't be out too late. However, like we just got here.
So
we need
like,
to go have fun. So
let the magic begin.
Yeah, that's so cute. Okay, let the magic begin. Michaela has never been to Cake Bake before, and we were both saying how we needed maybe a little caffeine. So I think we have to go.
Pick me up.
A little cake bake, pick me up. So wait, this is so exciting. It's so beautiful in there.
It's so cute. I'm really excited.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so cute in here. They have these like little almost jelly cats. That's so fun. So cute.
What did you get? So mine's an iced chai with coconut milk and coconut syrup. It does look like just straight milk. I'm a little nervous.
I also got an iced coconut latte. I've never had this before here, so. It's very tropical.
Yeah, I like it. It's not what I was expecting.
Okay.
But I really like it.
I like it.
Mine doesn't necessarily taste like a chai. It tastes more like a coconut drink. But I really like it.
Because it's coconut milk and syrup.
And syrup. I should have done one earlier, but I do like this one.
I like it. Don't know if I'd get it again, but it does taste like Rapid Beach, which is fun.
It's giving beach.
It's giving Florida. Guys, this is so surreal. Seeing the Epcot ball, it's like I never left. Oh my gosh. So we just walked through Epcot, and oh my gosh, it's so crazy. We were talking about how like it just kind of feels like another day, you know, like it's just another day, but it's not.
Because we're not driving back home after.
No, our cars are not in the parking lot. So anyways, we have like an hour and a half. Magic Kingdom closes so early, but we're going. We're gonna take the monorail and we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom and we're gonna see the castle. And I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's been too long. Hi. Oh, that's magical. This is so exciting. Oh my goodness, monorail gold. Wow. Make it blue, make it pink. Those are our vibes. We're still giving Disneyland vibes today, but
Just bringing the Disneyland.
gotta bring a little
Disney
bit.
World.
Absolutely. Then we'll bring the Disney World magic back to Disneyland. I forgot you have to take 2 monorails. So we just did monorail number 1. Monorail number 2. Oh, I love the music. Guys, we're here and Michaela's never seen Starlight. I only saw it that one time in like August and I hear it right now, so we're hoping to catch it.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Wait, this is so giving DCP. Like, do you know what I mean? Like,
Running
first
spray.
day. Aw, except we're like grown now. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy.
Do you think others people can hear us?
Only one way to find out. There it is, Wendy. Second star to the right. The starlight is all around us.
I can't believe we like caught the tail end of that. What did you think?
Absolute perfect timing, and it was beautiful.
It's so cute. I love the Peter Pan and Windy float. Like, that's maybe one of my favorite parade floats of all time.
Yeah, it was beautiful, and then Eugene brought out the lantern for Rapunzel, and I did that.
Yes, no, it was so good. And Mickey and Minnie were like, what are you wishing for? Blah, blah, blah. Like, it was so cute. Okay, so now we're gonna like frolic around, I guess. We have an hour till park close. Happily Ever After is at 9. We have to see it while we're here. And we also wanna do some shopping, but I'm thinking we can do that like as the park is closed. So we're on a mission to go just do rides, I guess. Wait, it's Cosmic Rays. I literally miss Cosmic Rays more than I would like to admit, I think. Wow, I'm so excited for these. And there's no wait, that's perfect. Okay, what teacup? I feel like we need...
Be sure to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your teacup.
This one?
And do rock your children. Your teacup.
Okay, teacups, so fun. Like,
So
so fun. I completely forgot that they have the people mover here. That's like so iconic to Disney World, so we're gonna go do that. I'm so excited. I do think this is my favorite ride in all of Disney World, and there's no wait.
Sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuida a sus niños. Gracias.
Pick up any
Please
second now.
step careful.
Here we go.
This is the TTA Blue Line.
Epcot, and a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a train you can go over. I wonder if that is
Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are 2 of the best tracks in the...
That was so fun. 10 out of 10. Now we're gonna go pop into my favorite store. I think on Disney property, Star Traders, they just always have the best merch and also the best pins. Also, I forgot to bring trading pins with me. I brought pins, but not pins to trade, so I might have to buy some. Yay, I'm so excited. Whoa, these are cool. Like, that's kind of fun. Whoa. No, the sequins, kind of crazy. To me, this is giving like shake it up. Okay, pins spotted. Might be securing those later. Oh my gosh, you guys, I want this sweatshirt so badly. Okay, we spotted this from the People Mover. That is so cute. Stop it. No, stop. That's so cute. No, like I am obsessed with like the little balloons. I think this is so cute, and this was like the one thing I think I wanted to buy. Wait, I'm already crying. We're gonna go watch Happily Ever After now. It's time. We have to find a little spot somewhere.
each of us has a dream, a heart desire, which calls to us, and only a version of this, and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be.
Wow, Happily Ever After was just chills, crazy. No, we were saying like this month officially marks 8 years of when I started my Disney College program, and then I think you're almost 8 years. Yeah, so 7.5. Like, what do you mean? We were here 7, almost 8 years ago, watching Happily Ever After for the first time on the Disney College program, and then we're still here. Like, no,
It's so crazy.
It's being back is like so surreal, but so special. I feel like this has been the like perfect little like first quick little trip to Magic Kingdom. We are gonna hit the Emporium on the way out. We have to look at the merch. But yeah, this has been so special. Okay, goodbye Cinderella Castle. Until next time. We're merch hunting right now, looking for the pink crew neck. Pink crew neck spotted. It's so cute. Guys, it's my song. They're playing Toy Story.
They knew. Because they were playing Starlight when we came in.
Wait, oh my gosh.
Every time.
It's every time. Aw, this was so fun. This is the quickest trip. So like this is our only time to go to Magic Kingdom, I think, while we're here, but it was perfect.
Literally perfect.
Oh, I love this song too. Okay, now we have to find a way back to our resort. I think the bus.
That's probably our best bet at this point because the lines look a little scary.
Yeah, wish us luck. We popped by the boardwalk store and these ears are so cute. Like this whole collection is so cute. The pin, oh my gosh, guys, I need that pin. I also went back to Cake Bake to get a little coffee to go for tomorrow morning. So we made it back to the boardwalk and we had to get a pizza. The boxes are so cute. So let's go back to our room and have some pizza. We also got pins. Okay, we're back and we have a little haul for you guys. I'm so excited to show you guys what we got. Okay,
We got good finds.
we got some good stuff. Let's start with the sweatshirts. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
They're so cute together.
They're so cute. Like I kind of want to wear this one tomorrow because I brought that one to wear tomorrow. And I still think I should, but this is so cute.
It's really cute. I feel like I'm gonna get that, but at Disneyland.
Okay, no, I agree. Because that's our dilemma, is like we don't want to buy a bunch of Disney World things now that we're Disneyland girls. However, I feel like it's more special to buy a Disney World thing now.
Yeah, because we're not here as much. Whereas the opposite, I feel like I was buying like all like the Disney World stuff. I was like, oh, I see that all the time. When I'm in Disneyland, I need the Disneyland version.
Right.
But now all of my sweatshirts are Disneyland and all my t-shirts are Walt Disney World, so I need to start swapping.
You do.
Yeah.
I do too, but you just can't beat this.
They're so cute.
No, I love. Okay, and then we also got some pins. We got 2 of these. These are the new ones, the whatever they call them, but the Disney World version. And I've done the Disneyland, not the Disney World, so that's exciting. We're gonna do these while we eat pizza. Major sleepover vibes. And then we also look.
I'm so excited.
No, it's so cute. It's Epcot and it's a rainbow for the Bagoo. Like, it's
Perfect.
A must. It's a must. And then I also went a little overboard and I got this one too
so
because I
cute.
like to do 2 pins on the Bagoo.
I brought my small one, so I think I'm just gonna do one.
Oh, that's perfect.
That's why, yeah.
That's perfect. Yeah. So we're ready. We're ready for Festival of the Arts tomorrow, but now we have to eat the pizza. And open some pins.
Pin and pizza.
Exactly.
Pizza and pin.
Pizza and pins. I love that. We had our little pizza. It was good. What do you think?
It was good.
The slices were
giant.
huge. Like, yeah. So that was fun. But it was good. We did put on Mickey cartoons because I feel like that's a must. But now it is time to open some pins. Have you seen what these could be?
These are the new ones, right?
I think so, like the brand new ones.
Yeah, I think so. It's like everything on that page, or
Yeah.
yeah, so like the buses and the
Yes, the buses.
yeah,
And the mini ears.
okay, yeah, and the cupcakes.
Yes. So, what are you hoping to get?
Oh, I really like the ears. I think the ears are really cute.
I would love anything like colorful, rainbow, Epcot.
Or something to trade.
Yeah. Hoping for like good pins, but also traders. Okay. Here we go. Oh, these aren't in bags, I think.
Oh,
so
no,
we
they're
can just
not.
pull them out. I'm scared. I
Are you
think I
doing
got a
both?
bubble wand. Just do one.
Oh.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
What in the
Oh.
world? Oh! Whoa! Wait, I have that one!
This one?
Yeah. I don't know how because I got it last year.
Are these last year's?
I don't think so. No. These are new.
Okay.
That's really funny. That's such a good pin though.
That's crazy.
Wait, we can twin.
Kitty.
This bubble wand kind of eats
Yeah.
like a poison apple. It is
That
Snow
is
White.
fun for Halloween. Oh yeah.
But it might be a traitor. We'll see.
Okay.
Right, ready?
Oh, yours is
Sorry, I did it
backwards.
backwards. Okay. No!
It's
No,
Pascal!
it's Pascal.
Oh my gosh, that's so
cute.
perfect.
Wait, that's so perfect.
I
for
love
tomorrow. I unfortunately got.
him. Yours is still really cute.
Is this like a castle cupcake? I'm confused. I don't know what that is. Like a castle cupcake?
I
Question
don't know
mark?
either, but it's cute.
No, it's cute. It's cute.
I love Pascal. Wow, that was perfect.
You got a great pull.
Oh no,
I'm scared.
I dropped it.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, it's like a rainbow castle.
Wait, that's so cute. No, guys, I got a Donald cupcake. That's a traitor. That is a traitor for sure.
I don't think.
Does this mean I have another bubble wand in here? Guys, I'm tired of the bubble wands. I already have 2 at home. Okay.
Oh, I
What'd
got a
you get?
hat.
Oh, is that Scrooge?
Yeah,
That's cool.
it is cool.
I got Pluto.
Another
Bubble
bubble
wand.
wand. I'm really sorry.
I'm really sorry too. It's okay, guys. I just have to buy more. But I have some pins to trade.
Yeah,
so
for sure.
That's fun.
And
okay.
I have little. I can add a second one. It's my little
Yeah,
bag.
no, the Pascal is so good. You need him on your something.
Something.
Or your pin board. That'd be cute
That would
too.
be cute.
Because you have a Pascal like
Keychain.
keychain.
Mm-hmm.
That's
For tomorrow.
so cute. That was so fun. I really hope they have like an Epcot one tomorrow or a Festival of the Arts because like I'm getting that. Okay, well, we have to get ready for bed because we have to get up so early tomorrow. But it's gonna be so fun and
gonna be
so
so
worth
good.
it. So wish us luck and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning.